Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the dispenser assembly in your LG washer, you will need pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Remove the twist tie from the hoses. Slide back the tension clamp on the overflow hose. Detach the hose end from the dispenser housing. Loosen the clamp and remove the bellow from the housing. Note the orientation and unplug the inlet valves. Unthread the screw securing the valve bracket. Slide and remove the bracket. Open the drawer and push down on the push tab and remove the detergent assembly. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the dispenser housing. Push back and pull out the housing from its slots. Starting with the smaller tab, pry the 8 tabs to remove the housing from the dispenser. To install the new dispenser assembly, place the dispenser on the housing and snap together in place. Align the dispenser assembly in the 2 grooves and slide into position. Rethread the 2 screws to secure the housing. Align the detergent assembly and push in until it snaps into place. Install the bellow to the assembly and tighten the clamp. Insert the bracket in the panel and slide to lock in place. Rethread the screw to secure the bracket. Plug in the inlet valves. Reattach the overflow hose and set the tension clamp. Fasten the hoses together with the twist tie. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Reattach the water supply lines. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply, as well as the power, and your washer should be ready for use.